Hello and welcome to How to Play Sevens, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the dice game Sevens. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 2 or more players. To play, you will need 6 dice. Each player will roll all 6 dice and total the amount rolled. The player with the highest amount rolled will go first in the game play. Player 1 rolled the highest amount and will go first in this game. The object of the game is to score points. Points are scored based on the dice rolled during a turn. A turn starts with a player rolling all 6 dice. If any 2 dice combination add up to 7, the 2 dice are removed. The player then can take the remaining dice amount as a score for the turn or re-roll the remaining dice to try and improve their score. If the dice are re-rolled, the player will have to remove any 2 dice that combine to equal 7 again. A player can roll up to 3 times in a turn, but can stop after their first or second roll if wanted. Player 1 rolled the highest dice amount in the setup and has the first turn. Player 1 rolls all 6 dice. The 6 and 1 equal 7 and are removed. Player 1 can take the remaining 4 dice amount as a score or roll again. Player 1 decides to roll again. This roll has no 2 dice that equal 7, so no dice are removed. Player 1 can take the score or roll one final time. This time, Player 1 decides to take the dice total of 16 as a score. Play moves to Player 2. Because Player 1 only rolled twice, Player 2 and 3 will only be able to roll twice as well for the round. Player 2 starts by rolling all 6 dice. Player 2 removes the 6 and 1 and the 4 and 3. Player 2 could roll one more time, but decides to stop and take 12 as their score for the round. Play moves to Player 3, who can roll up to 2 times. Player 3 starts by rolling all 6 dice. Player 3 doesn't have any 2 dice combinations that equal 7 and decides to take the score of 24 for the round. Play now moves to Player 2 to start the second round. The player with the highest score after an agreed upon amount of rounds wins the game. If a player has all their dice removed on a turn, they will score 0 points for that round. That wraps up How to Play Sevens. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.